Good morning. Did you sleep well last night before waking up today?
Yes, I slept very well and woke up feeling fresh this morning.
That sounds wonderful because you look very happy and energetic today.
Thank you very much because I finally had enough sleep after many days.
What time did you wake up and start your morning activities today?
I woke up around 6 o'clock and prepared breakfast for myself carefully.
What kind of breakfast did you prepare for yourself this morning at home?
I prepared eggs, toasted bread, fresh fruit, and hot coffee for breakfast.
That breakfast sounds healthy, delicious, and perfect for starting the busy day.
Yes, eating healthy food always gives me more energy during work hours.
Are you going directly to work after finishing your breakfast this morning?
Yes, but first I need to finish preparing my office documents carefully.
Do you usually prepare your office documents before leaving home every morning?
Yes, preparing everything early helps me avoid stress during the busy morning.
That is a very smart and organized way to start your day.
Thank you because I really like planning my daily activities carefully every day.
How long does it usually take you to reach your office every morning?
It usually takes about 30 minutes because traffic becomes heavy during rush hours.
Heavy traffic can make people feel tired before starting their daily work sometimes.
It usually takes about 30 minutes because traffic becomes heavy during rush hours.
Yes, that is completely true, especially during busy weekdays in the city.
Do you listen to music while traveling to work every morning usually?
Yes, listening to calm music helps me feel relaxed during the long drive.
What kind of music do you enjoy listening to before starting your work?
I enjoy listening to soft pop music and relaxing instrumental songs every morning.
That sounds very relaxing and perfect for improving your mood before working hours.
Yes, good music always helps me feel positive and motivated throughout the day.
What are your main plans and responsibilities at work for today exactly?
Today, I need to attend meetings and finish several important office reports carefully.
That sounds like a very busy and challenging schedule for the whole day.
Yes, but I believe everything will become easier after finishing the important tasks.
Do you usually feel stressed when your office work becomes extremely busy sometimes?
Sometimes I feel stressed, but I always try staying calm and focus carefully.
Staying calm during stressful situations is a very important professional life skill today.
Yes, staying calm helps me solve problems more quickly and effectively at work.
What do you usually do during your lunch break at the office daily?